some people don't know their role. So I wanted to come out here and, I don't know, just set the record straight, because I felt like there are people that went out there and tried to assert their authority when they don't really have any. Because here's the thing, I really don't care where you sit. There's one thing that is abundantly clear here. Whether people like them or they don't like them, the answers come from one place and one place only, and right now you are looking at him. There are some people back there that decision will disappoint them, that maybe they won't like that decision. But here's the thing, it doesn't matter if you don't like that decision. So with that said, welcome to the road to WrestleMania.